Sneeze makeup challenge is going viral in China. One sneeze and flawless makeup goes flying. Stay calm, look up, and just like that, it's all going back to perfect. This hilarious and creative beauty trend, sparked by Chinese makeup influencer 聂小倩她老板和固态酸奶 has taken Rednote and Douyin by storm, even landing on Rednote's trending chart. After watching, Chinese netizens said, AI will never replace human. Who else can come up with something this creative? Oh wait, maybe we should just hit Ctrl Z to undo it. Quick shout out. This viral trend in China is actually started by Blue Hydrangea on TikTok. Let's celebrate the creativity that connects the world.